For years, trading in the Forex market felt like a constant uphill battle. I'd spend countless hours analyzing charts, making decisions, only to miss key opportunities or fall into traps that left me frustrated. That was until I discovered Using ChatGPT to trade Forex. This book didn't just teach me how to use AI, it showed me how to incorporate it seamlessly into my trading strategy. With its help, I learned how to read the market better, understand potential movements, and even use commitment of traders' data to spot the best opportunities. Now, every trade I make is backed by solid AI-driven analysis. I feel empowered, confident, and most importantly, I see results. If you're serious about trading, it's time to evolve. Let Using ChatGPT to trade Forex show you how to elevate your strategy with AI. Trust me, you won't look back.